The SATO project, in collaboration with Sonai and the Worth and Retail stores, developed methodologies for assessing the real-life energy performance of household appliances, thus promoting improved energy efficiency. It uses innovative soft sensor technology and machine learning techniques to evaluate the performance based on real-life utilization made by users, thus going beyond the information in appliance energy labels. In this context, the Seixal Municipality Residential Pilot consists of multiple households forming a meaningful real-life environment of appliance utilization use cases that are crucial to support the development of the methodologies.
To enable these solutions, a data acquisition kit was developed to collect appliance resource utilization, operational and environmental data. These kits collect data in real time that supports the development of the assessment methodologies that are used to display key performance indicators in a mobile application. With this information, users can compare efficiency of different appliance utilization schemes and select the most efficient ones. This is a key step made by the SATO project, allowing users to increase household energy efficiency and promote better sustainability in appliance utilization. Follow along for upcoming project updates and don't miss future videos showcasing other pilot sites.